found a company where employees are happy. And this is what makes them happy. So bloody simple. I was facilitating a workshop today and we were doing an exercise of tell me 3 things that works for you and tell me 3 things that doesn't work for you. And these guys are happy. And do you know what makes them happy? Freedom and good people. So they had flexible working. They had flexible not only with location where they work, but also with the flexible hours. They can work anytime they want, basically. They have autonomy and freedom in how they get the job done. So there's no micromanagement. They are given the target, deliver it the way you want to. Now, of course, there are some rules and, policies and guidelines, but pretty much you do the job. And the culture, and this is probably the very first company where all participants agreed that they love the culture. And it was simply because of the people. They have nice, supportive people. Now, it doesn't mean that they don't argue, debate, or clash their personalities or strengths. But when it happens, they come back together. So what are the things that they wanted to change? I think is going to resonate with everybody. The amount of emails, the amount of meetings, the amount of WhatsApp messages, and the amount of team meetings. They hate the red tape. However, that company or that industry is highly regulated, so I kind of understand why the bureaucracy exists there. And I would like that industry to be highly regulated and bureaucratic, to be honest. But it's a pain. And this is the recipe. So very simple. Autonomy, freedom, trust, clear goals, and nice people.